Okay, so we're looking at week 2 work, and we're doing averages from a table. So the first question says, students write down their favourite number, and we want to put this in a frequency table. So the number will go from smallest to largest always. So we look through, and our smallest number is 2, and then it goes up 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the frequency is how many of each number there are. So you could tally this, or you can cross out as you go. So I'm going to cross out as I go. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is a fiddly part, and you really want to check you're working out of this. Right, now let's do the threes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 as well. The fours, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And the fives, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. Sixes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Alright, so put it in the frequency table. We won't use this column yet, you'll see afterwards with the questions. Part B, what is the mode? Is the most common number? Well, there are 12 fours, so the mode is 4. There's the most number of fours there. The range is the biggest number, 6. Take away the smallest number, 2. So our range is 4. Now to work out the mean from a table, as I showed you on the video, we actually use sigma fx divided by sigma f. Sigma just means total. So it's the sum of the fx column divided by the sum of the frequency column. So sum of the frequency column we can just add up, and as it is a calculator exam, why not use your calculator? 10 plus 10 plus 12 plus 7 plus 5 adds up to 44, and I usually write that underneath. So the total of the frequency column is 44. Now the fx column is when you multiply across. So 2 times 10 is, and I'm actually going to label it fx. 2 times 10 is 20, 3 times 10 is 30, 4 times 12 is 48, 5 times 7 is 35, and 6 times 5 is 30. Again, you can use your calculator. Now what I'm going to do is add up as we go down. So 20 plus 30 plus 48 plus 35 plus 30. So our fx column adds up to 163. So our mean is going to be this, total of the fx column divided by total of the f column. That's the formula. That's our working out. And now our answer. So we get 3.70, and it will usually ask you to round it to a certain amount of decimals. It looks like the average numbers, almost 4 as well. You can sort of use your mode and work out roughly where it's going to be. Now the median would be where is the middle. Now you could put all these numbers in order, but that's going to take a while. So the median from a table, we just need to find where it is. To find where it is, you add 1 to the amount of numbers and then half it. Because if you add 1 and half it, it gives you the exact position of the median. So there are 44 numbers. If you plus 1 and divide by 2, once again, why not use your calculator? Divide by 2, it's 22.5. Now clearly that's not the middle number. The middle number is not 22.5, it shows us where it's going to be. So we can look at our table to work out where that 22nd and a half number is. Well, the first 10 numbers are here, so it's not in this group. The next 10 numbers are here, so it brings our total to 20, so it's not in that group. The next number would take our total to 32. Because we've passed, so our 22.5 will be somewhere in that group. That means it must be one of the 4s, so our median is 4. It's a high grade question, this one, can be a bit fiddly, but a lot of common sense can come into play. Next page, same question, so let's see how we go here. The age of students is recorded, so we look for the smallest, which is 12, so 12, 13, 14, yep. So it goes 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and I'm going to do this in exactly the same way. So how many 12s have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 12s. Let's see how many 13s we've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 14s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Our 15s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. And our 16s, 1, 2. I'm going to add this up. It looks like it should add up to 44 again. 10 plus 10 plus 15 plus 7 plus 2, 44. So I know I haven't missed any of the numbers. Alright, same again. What's our most common number? 14. It's got the highest frequency. The range, oldest, take away the youngest, so our range is 4. Our mean, total of fx divided by the total of f, and here's our fx column. So you're going to multiply across 12 times 10, well that's 120, 130, 14 times 15 is 210, 15 times 7 is 105, and 16 times 2 is 32. I'm going to add these together, 120 plus 130 plus 210 plus 105 plus 32 is 597. So our mean must be 597 divided by 44, which is 13.57 to 2 decimal places. And that looks about right again. So our most of the numbers around this area, so our average age was 13.57. To find out where the median is, n plus 1 divided by 2. We're lucky it's the same numbers as last time, so I know it's the 22.5th. So first 10 are in this group, then the first 20 are in both of them, and then it goes to 35. Because it's going to be somewhere in this group, our median must be 14. So that's how we do averages from a frequency table. Sometimes you have to record them in, or sometimes you're just given the table, and you need the fx column to work out the mean, because that's the formula for working out the mean. So mark and see how you go.